Hey, we're going hiking, but we're on a boat for some reason. Yeah, I forgot about it.
She's Myers-Briggs certified.
Well, welcome back to Outdoors with Chris. We are here in St. Mary's, Georgia, about to head towards Cumberland Island. So stay tuned, it's gonna be awesome. And hey, if you're ever in St. Mary's, be sure to check out the Good Bread Inn. It's a wonderful bread and breakfast. We had a blast.
I want to see if this place is open.
What, this place here? It says open.
We're going in here.
Y'all are going in there? Okay. The lady folks are wanting to take a detour.
I found lemongrass doesn't work very well.
Really?
Lemon eucalyptus works.
And what all's in that?
That's a peppermint, frankincense, and citronella. Because I found the bugs here. When I put frankincense on, they leave me alone. So.
Frankincense?
Mm-hmm.
Really? Mm-hmm. And this has it in there, right?
Yes.
What, yoga skirts? I found them cute. Oh, precious.
Yeah, it's just some shopping and hiking and shopping. Stop by the, what's it called?
Zen Den.
The Zen Den. And got some bugs in.
Bugs in?
Bugs in and some natural deodorant. What's that?
Some odors in.
Odors in. Odors in.
Odors in.
Wait, focus in. Bugs in. Okay.
Mini for backpacking.
So we'll see how that works out there. It's got what? Peppermint?
Peppermint, clove.
Clove, eucalyptus?
Frankincense, didn't she say? Frankincense.
Frankincense. No myrrh?
No myrrh.
Frankincense, gold, and myrrh.
Let's see, I'll tell you what the odors in has in it.
All right, what's that?
Beeswax, coconut oil, baking soda, arrowroot powder, peppermint, wintergreen, clove, tea tree, a word that I definitely cannot pronounce, Hellserintium, and 100% therapeutic grade essential oils. There it is, folks.
They are essential. So we are making our way. Well, we gotta get a sandwich first, pick up our lunch for the day, and then meet our appointment for the ferry at 11. We gotta be at the ferry by 11 to take a little class. So, and then head out to the island.
Bugs away too. I put it on our little towel. This is gonna hurt all day. Where the strap's going on the bear skin.
Well, we just made a stop by the market on the square back there. I got us some sack lunches. Everything else is gonna be dehydrates and such, wraps. But what'd you get?
I got turkey and ham with lettuce and tomato. Yum,
Heather's
yum.
having a chicken salad. And I got turkey with some cheese too. Now we gotta go take our class and get on a ferry. Woohoo!
For the vent stacks on the upper deck.
I've got it right here.
When using the stairs at the back of the boat, face the stairs going up and down. In case of an emergency, our life jackets are located under the seats on the upper deck and in the overhead shelf inside the cabin area. To help conserve the air conditioning in the cabin area, we are requesting that nobody use the side doors. Please use the back door to enter and exit the cabin area. Our trip today should take approximately 45 minutes. Please sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride.
We're taking off from St. Mary's now. Finally on the water, headed out to the island. Had our little 15-20 minute orientation from the park rangers. So we're gonna get out and meet the raccoons that we're gonna be staying with this weekend. Trying to settle in with them and develop a mutual bond. If something like that is even possible, right? All right, we just got off the ferry and we're headed down to Stafford Beach to scope out our campsite. Definitely interesting taking a boat ride to get to a trail, but I'm telling you what, it's beautiful out here. We're just about a little bit over halfway to getting to Stafford Beach. Just got done stopping, taking a little break. I mean, it's nice and flat, but
Hot.
it's hot.
Muggy.
We be sweating
Woo.
in here in the foliage. Kind of just decided to stick with the hard pack of this road bed versus trying to go out to the beach and tackle the sand just right now. We'll see what it looks like tomorrow, or when we get to the beach, because the beach shouldn't be too far from our campsite. See what it looks like, and that could determine what we get into tomorrow. But we're looking at going to Plum Orchard today.
Plum Orchard.
We'll try to make it to Plum
Tonight.
Orchard tonight,
Today.
this evening. So that should be pretty cool. Seen too much wildlife just yet.
Armadillo.
They saw armadillo.
Cardinal.
I turned around and it was gone by the
And
time I saw.
one pincher crab.
I did see the cardinal. There's some crabs, but no horses yet or alligators.
Or raccoons. Or
Number
ninja assassin raccoons.
Ninja assassin raccoons. Just chillaxing and enjoying the outdoors with Chris.
And Heather. And Mom and Dad.
Came up just a little bit quicker than we thought it was. A nice surprise. Ooh, horse poop. Ah. No motorhome, no bikes. No forward drives. Well, we finally made it to our campsite, number 6, Stafford Beach. We gotta find some place to hang the hammocks. There's a couple folks back up, a couple sites up in hammocks. That's pretty cool. Yeah.
All right. What are you at on there?
Whew. Hammocks are up. We just did finish kind of setting up all the hammocks and starting to drizzle a little bit, so people to check out our rain fly situations and make sure everything's gonna be good. But so far, so good. We still haven't made it over to the beach. And side note, this is actually gonna be my first time ever seeing the Atlantic Ocean. I've never been to the Atlantic Ocean before, so this is gonna be my first time. I've always just been to the Gulf of Mexico. So walk around and show you everybody's setup real quick before it starts the torrential downpour. So here is my setup. Once again, my War Bonnet Blackbird XLC and the Big Mama Jumbo Tarp.
Gracious.
Wringing out sweat over there, is you? Here's Mom and Dad's double hang under the Superfly. So Dad just recently upgraded to a War Bonnet Blackbird as well. Mom's sleeping in the Hennessy, and they're under the War Bonnet Outdoors Superfly. How you liking that Blackbird?
Hey, welcome to my humble abode where good sleep starts.
Yeah. Here's our communal tarp. We got a rope hung for food bags. And Heather's over here in a unique hang with the Hennessy and an Eno housefly. So I think she's got the most unique hang of all of us there.
I'm creative.
Creative. So we have decided to go to the beach.
Who opened it? I haven't been in it. I'll go shut it.
It wasn't me.
I shut the men's open.
Why did I open?
Men's open.
Shut the door. Yeah, so this is the first for us for hammock camping. We got closed door.
Closed door. No.
We've got running water, toilets, and toilet paper that we didn't bring.
And showers.
Yeah, and showers. We've never had that out hiking and camping. That's something new.
Seawater.
But now,
To the
onward to the beach.
beach. Please.
Yes, beach, please. All right, so something we haven't seen all day. Some elevation change. How will we ever make it? It is too much. Get to the chopper. Starting to breathe heavy. Alright, so I think it's gonna be kind of crazy. Corey? We're going downhill now? A breeze.
Walking through a portal.
Dude, it is like walking through a port. Oh my god.
Crazy.
What the heck? We got Mary Poppins with us.
Oh, yeah.
Mary Poppins.
Thank you, Jill.
Thank her for the umbrella.
You can send them.
On the boardwalk. Boardwalk. Back in some green again. Alright, so I am seeing the Atlantic for the first time. How well you can hear me in that, I've got my water case on, but we've been sitting out here watching the lightning and the storm just coming on in. Got a few time lapses. I think we're gonna head on back to the campsite now. Get ready for some dinner. I don't know about anybody else, but I'm a touch hungry to eat something. You hungry? Well, the rain has settled in. Pretty good right now. We got done eating dinner and that storm pushed on through. We've come back out, gonna walk down the beach a little bit. It says possibility we could see some sea turtles if we head up north, so we'll see what we can find. Well, I have retired to the hammock, and that pretty much brings the end of day one. So thanks so much for tuning in to Outdoors with Chris. You know, if you've enjoyed it, be sure to leave a comment, tell me what you thought about the video. Be sure to hit that like button, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button too. Show the channel a little love. You can get updates on when the next video is going to come up. But again, just thanks for watching, and be sure to get out on the trail and have a good hike, alright? And we'll see you on day 2, coming soon.
Bye.